Okay, so what I want to talk to you about and show you is how to turn on the heater and how to set it in a schedule. So on the screen you have pool. If we touch pool and open it up, there's a setting here, heat mode. It says it's scheduled. So, but if I go in here and turn this on, turn on the heater, I can adjust my temperature. It's set at 84 right now, the pool's 88, so it's not going to turn on heat. But let's just say the pool's at 70. I want to get the pool up to 82. I got people coming tomorrow. So if I turn the heater on here, it'll heat to your set temperature. But once it gets that set temperature, it's going to shut off and the pool will go right back down. So this is only a temporary way to turn on the heater. This is a one-shot deal. It's not going to maintain your temperature on the pool. So let's just turn this off so I can show you the proper way. The proper way you want to do it is you want to go to schedules. So you open schedules. I always set 2 schedules, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. That's what I always program. Customers are welcome to change that. But if you go to schedule and you open it up, heat source is off. This is where you want to turn on your heater. Turn on the heater. You back out. Now you can set your temperature. This is where it's going to turn on your heat and it's going to maintain heat. If you do not do it in the schedule, it's going to shut off once it gets to your set temperature and it's going to go right back down to wherever Mother Nature wants it to be. So this is where you set heat.